kí wọ́n má pe ajá lọ́bọ̀ fún wa. Tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ ṣe state police, don't ask the Inspector General of Police láti create state police fún wa. Our state assembly will create it. Give them the authority, the support. They are here. Within the shortest possible time, state police will come to be.
We are not starting a journey today. We are continuing a progressive movement already delivering results. I want to repeat that. We are continuing a progressive movement that is already delivering results. Oyo State continue to rise. Our pace of growth must continue. Our vision must continue. The prosperity of our people must continue. Because governance is not an event. Governance is a continuum. The security challenges confronting our people, including the tragic abduction incident in Niori local government, further underscores the need for sustained investment and stronger collaboration plus improved coordination among our various security agencies. In OMI 3.0, we will continue to place the security of lives and property at the forefront of governance.
Out of their busy schedule to attend today's meeting is for them to stand firm as they are going back to their individual destination. Go back to your destination, go back to your ward, go back to your polling units. Start mobilizing. Come 2027, we are taking over by the grace of God. Total victory, and so shall it be. Thank you.
Is a gross knowledge, a kind of experience that they've been craving for. The House of Assembly or a legislative arm need more time, to give a law, to have a motion, and to attract the dividend of democracy into the constituency. And I'm so happy that they chose me once again, to represent them.
Ẹgbẹ́ APM wájú ọmọ níbẹ̀ àdáwà super.
Ó ní wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Àfẹnitá dìtẹ̀, àfẹnitá pẹ̀gàn. Síwá gómìnà dáadáa ní gómìnà.